Top 25 most famous quotes of David Packard on success, inspiration, business and life. The best. Take risks. Ask big questions. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you don't make mistakes, you're not reaching far enough. Why are we here? I think many people assume, wrongly, that a company exists solely to make money. Money is an important part of a company's existence, if the company is any good. But a result is not a cause. We have to go deeper and find the real reason for our being. The best possible way to prepare for tomorrow is to concentrate with all your intelligence, all your enthusiasm, on doing today's work superbly today. Innovation is everything. When you're on the forefront, you can see what the next innovation needs to be. Set out to build a company and make a contribution, not an empire and a fortune. The best possible company management is one that combines a sense of corporate greatness and destiny, with empathy for, and fidelity to, the average employee. An organization, no matter how well designed, is only as good as the people who live and work in it. The greatest success goes to the person who is not afraid to fail in front of even the largest audience. The betterment of society is not a job to be left to a few. It's a responsibility to be shared by all. You cannot manage men into battle. You manage things, you lead people. The biggest competitive advantage is to do the right thing at the worst time. Investing in new product development and expanding the product catalog are the most difficult things to do in hard times, and also among the most important. A company has a greater responsibility than making money for its stockholders. We have a responsibility to our employees to recognize their dignity as human beings. The best business decisions are the most humane decisions. And, all other talents being even, the greatest managers are also the most human managers. Bill Hewlett and I were brought up in the Depression. We weren't interested in the idea of making any money. Our idea was if you couldn't find a job, you'd make one for yourself. Marketing is too important to be left to the marketing department. Corporate reorganizations should be made for cultural reasons more than financial ones. More companies die from indigestion than starvation. Profit is not the proper end and aim of management, it is what makes all of the proper ends and aims possible. A frustrated employee is a greater threat than a merely unhappy one. The biggest mistake managers make is to think that they can control the people they work with. The greatest asset of a company is its people. A company that focuses solely on profits ultimately betrays both itself and society. To remain static is to lose ground. The job of a manager is to support his or her staff, not vice versa, and that begins by being among them.